Hello friends, welcome to nationalPC YouTube channel. Myself Prosenjit. Today I will show you one of the latest product from ASUS mini-PC segment, ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus. This is the first product after Intel and ASUS collaboration in this mini-PC segment. This particular mini-PC is coming with the Intel latest generation processor, which is Ultra series processor, and this product is available with Ultra 5, Ultra 7 and Ultra 9. In this video, I will show you all the technical details about this particular mini-PC. I will also show you how to install the RAM and SSD inside this mini-PC, and I will also try to show you how much power you can get from this mini-PC. So let's start this video. After the ASUS and Intel collaboration for the mini-PC business, ASUS has started manufacturing the NUC, and this is the first NUC, which is NUC 14. In this segment, there are two kind of product. One is NUC 14 Pro and another one is NUC 14 Pro Plus. NUC 14 Pro normally comes under one black box which have the tall and slim version, and which is available with Ultra 5, Ultra 7 and also available with Ultra 3 processor. And this particular product, this is the premium series product, which is Intel and ASUS collaboration premium series NUC 14 Pro Plus. This particular Pro Plus is available with Ultra 5, Ultra 7 and Ultra 9 processor. This Ultra 9, Ultra 7, Ultra 5 processors have the new generation processor, which have the normally the processing power, which are the efficient core and the performance core. Also, this particular processor is coming with the latest generation of integrated GPU, which is Intel ARC GPU. Previously, Intel processor have the integrated GPU, which was Intel Iris Xe graphics, but this particular series processor will have the Intel ARC graphics, which has a significant boost in terms of the graphics processing. Also, this particular processor have the AI capability, the NPU unit inside this particular processor. So, with this processor, you can compute any kind of tasks like your home purpose, your office purpose, and also if you use this particular product for your industrial or production purpose, that also you can do this from this mini PC. So, let's check what is the mini PC specification or in terms of ports. This particular mini PC have the two dedicated HDMI 2.1 ports. Also, this particular mini PC will have the Thunderbolt 4 port. So, the Thunderbolt 4 port, you will get the DP 1.4, which is also the display output port purpose you can use this. Also, it have the 40 GPUs of bandwidth, which is also capable for USB 4 comparable. And also, this particular mini PC have the USB 3.2 generation 2 USB port, normal USB port type A. And this particular mini PC have the latest generation of Wi-Fi 6E, which is Intel AX211, and also have the Bluetooth 5.3. And this particular mini PC is coming with the latest generation of Bluetooth. This particular Bluetooth device, you can connect any kind of Bluetooth device like keyboard, mouse, microphone, anything without the dongle, which is a very facility, which is a very much good things actually for the user perspective. So, you can use your keyboard, mouse or any kind of, you don't need the dongle, you just easily connect with your mini PC. Also, this mini PC supports the M.2 storage, which is the NVMe generation 4 storage, and there inside this mini PC I will show you there is two kind of storage you can install. One is normal size 2280 size, which is there always available, and another size is 2242, which is the smaller size of NVMe size, but you can get if you try, you can get this type of SSD in the market. And also this mini PC particular segment NUC 14 Pro is support the 2.5 inch and M.2 both. But this particular NUC 14 Pro Plus is the slim variant, and this particular mini PC only support the NVMe SSD only, and this particular mini PC don't support the 2.5 inch SSD. This particular mini PC has a great looks. It has the aluminum chassis. When I unbox this product, you will show, you can focus this product in your desk. Normally mini PC, what we do, we either wall mount this, or if we normally use this as a monitor backside with the VESA mount. But this particular mini PC, you will show this in your desktop because its looks is too good. So, let's unpack this box and I will show you all the ports and all the details from this device itself. ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus. This is AI ready product. It's already written on the top of the box. So, let's unpack this device. Wow, totally white packet. ASUS is claiming that this is a toolless product, so you don't need any tools to install all the RAM and SSD. Everywhere it is white, and back side it is written is serial number and part number. To open this sign is here. So, let's open the bottom and top cover. So this is a magnetic attachment, very nice. Wow, this will open this way only. Top is the main device. First we will check the accessories. Similar like this way, it will open. This is the accessories box. Wow, I really love this packaging. This is the VESA plate, not like the other NUC, it is totally different, it is full white, and this is not the metal, it is near about like the fiber materials. This one is the adapter, everything is white. So let us check the adapter. It is normally 19.5 volt, 7.7 ampere like all other NOCs. This is normally the mounting screw, this is manual and no more accessories. Now check the main device. Wow, this is a premium finish and fully aluminum body. This is the anodized aluminum actually, and every corner and everything is laser cutting. It feels like a premium product. Now we will check from the front side. Front side, this one is the USB type C. This USB type C has the 20 Gbps of total bandwidth, it is already written 20G, and this is the USB 3.2 generation 2, this is the 10G port, this is USB 3.2 generation, this is already the 10G port, 10 Gbps port, both of this. And this one is the power button. This power button also have the inside one LED. When you power on the device, this LED will glow up. Now if you check the right side and left side and the bottom side, everything there is for the ventilation. This is a Ultra 9 product, and still ASUS is claiming that you can use this device 24/7 and there will be no heating issue. Now if you check the back side, this is for the Kingston lock and this one for the DC input port, and these two for the HDMI 2.1 port, and these two is for the Thunderbolt port, and this Thunderbolt port also have the display output of DP 1.4, and this port also have the 40 Gbps of bandwidth, which is comparable with the USB 4. And if you check this LAN port is 2.5 Gbps of LAN port, and there is type A 2 port is there, USB 3.2 generation 2 ports, this is for the 10 Gbps port, and this is USB 3.2 generation 2 port, this is 20 Gbps port. Now if we talk about its other configuration, it has the Wi-Fi 6E, which is latest generation, plus Bluetooth 5.3. Now we will check how to install the RAM and SSD. ASUS is claiming that this is a toolless device, so we will check this is how this toolless is there. So I will show you how to open this pack. There is one lock is there, so 1, 2 is mentioned. First we have to unlock this. When it is coming, it is already unlocked in this position. After this, these two lock we have to push the inside. After that, we have to push from the front side. There is 3 mention is there, 3 and arrow, that means we have to unlock from this position. So this is unlock. This is not the aluminum one, this is the normally lightweight ABS materials. First we have seen this is a big fan is there for the ventilation, and so this is Ultra 9 product, so this fan is sufficient for the cooling, and it is already written for the pull up. So to install the RAM and SSD, you have to pull up this fan. Wow, very nice design. These two for the DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, and this particular series NUC 14 and NUC 14 Pro Plus will support up to 96 GB of RAM. That means each slot will support maximum 48 GB of RAM. And there is two M.2 NVMe slot. This NVMe slot is the normal 2280 slot, which is the big one, and this slot is for the 2240 slot. And this particular thing, the chip is for the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth. We have the RAM and SSD, This SSD is 2 TB of SSD from Seagate, and those two are from the ADATA. This both are 32 plus 32, so we will install the 64 GB of RAM and one 2 TB SSD. The installation of this RAM and SSD is very simple. And for the SSD mount also there is a different way. There is no need of tools and anything. Normally M.2 screw have one screw, but this one not the screw, this one just a simple lock. If you want to unlock, just push it, but normally for installation just put downward. So all the installation is done. Now we will close the lid. This particular slim model or the NOC14 Pro Plus is coming only this slim model. This don't have the option for 2.5 inch SSD installation or 2.5 inch hard disk installation. Only the NOC14 Pro tall model have this option. Now we will close it again, lock this way. After the lock, you can just pull it this way, and if you permanently lock this lid, then that time you need a simple screwdriver to lock this permanently. So it will not move this way. Now we will power on this device, and I will show you its BIOS, its setup, and I will also try to show you its performance. Now we will power on this device. This is the power button, and this power LED will automatically glow up. First we will check the BIOS screen. So this is the main page of the BIOS screen. This is the processor type Ultra 9 185H. This is the topmost the processor right now available for the mini-PC segment in Intel 14th generation Core Ultra series. Its turbo frequency is 5.10 GHz, which is very much powerful right now. And if we check the RAM, it is 64 GB, 32 plus 32, and it's automatically detect the clock speed of 5600 MHz. Now if we check the advanced model, this particular series in the video segment, we have to choose the minimum memory 64 MB or 120 MB, and this video memory it will be automatically calculated based on your requirement and it will automatically allocate from the RAM. Now if you check the power settings, many customers ask this for this question. Now if you check the secondary power setting, there is an option for the auto power failure. If you mount this mini PC in wall mount, and if you want this device to be powered on 24/7, and sometimes this power goes off and power comes again, and you do not need to power on this device by pushing the power button, then you have to choose this option as power on. When you choose this power on, it will automatically, when the power off and again power is coming, the device will automatically be powered on. And the performance section, and this is the cooling section. Performance section, you can check all the current status of this PC. And in cooling mode, the fan RPM is showing. You can choose the fan off capability and the primary temperature sensor, secondary temperature sensor, everything you can decide it from this panel. Fan mode here is chosen as a balance mode. If you want to be cooled all the time, then you can choose this as a cool mode. This is the security settings, and this is the boot setting. Boot or security setting normal as per the ASUS normal BIOS. Now we will install the Windows, and we will show you how it's perform in terms of any kind of powerful software like Photoshop or Adobe Premiere. So we have installed the Windows 11 Pro. We have also installed the related all the drivers. Now we will test one by one. First I will check the device manager. On the device manager section, we can check the display adapter is Intel ARC graphics. Now if you check the network, it's Bluetooth, 2.5G LAN and Wi-Fi 6E. If you check that, this is the first time we have checked the neural processor. This is for the AI application. If you check the processor, it's Ultra 9 185H and it's showing all this thread. No more device, or this is the normal the audio which is coming through the HDMI display monitor. Now if I do some upscaling of the video, we have imported one full HD video. Now we will do some upscaling up to 4K. Simply no more additional is there, only upscaling the resolution and export. Now we will check the processing power. This is the CPU utilization, this is the GPU utilization. As it's the upscaling, only 3D GPU portion is working. Now we will also check the health condition. Temperature is 9 down normal, 72, and performance score, efficiency score, both are working. Neural core is not working because this is not an AI application. If you check the timing, it's 45 minutes. Normally with the Intel Iris Xe graphics or the 13th generation processor of the mobile processor, we have checked this. This is near about 1 hour approx. But truly speaking, with some dedicated GPU like RTX 2070 Super, this particular timing will be near about 10 to 15 minutes. So you will not get the desktop dedicated graphics card like performance, but there must be some significant GPU or graphics performance boost on this Ultra series processor. Now we will stop this. This is the Geekbench 6. Now first we will check the run CPU benchmark. We will wait for the result. So see, this is the Geekbench 6 report, single core performance, file compression, HTML browser, PDF render, photo filter, HDR, all kind of tests he has done. Also done for the multi-core performance. We will share this particular URL in our comment section. Now we will check the GPU benchmarking. So it will test all kind of GPU benchmark like particle physics or the horizontal movement. Now this is the result. The OpenCL score and all the background blur, face detection, all of this result. We will also share this URL in our comment section. Now we will do the full CPU stress test. This is the silver benchmark, and we will do the extreme test. Now you can check CPU is utilizing 100%. This will give us the result that how much temperature this mini PC will goes up. Now we will check the health screen. Now the temperature increases to 110 degree. This is the performance score. Efficient core is 93 and LP core max is 75 or 76. This is the utilization. GPU utilization is very less right now because it is only doing the CPU test. AI boost also 0. So at full load or the CPU 100% uses, its temperature is 110 degrees centigrade. It's quite high, but as per the ASUS data, so you can run this for the long time. So it's done, X5964, and we will submit this. So I have done the extreme test. You can also do the stress test on GPU. This is the stress test for GPU. You can do only GPU, only CPU, or CPU and GPU simultaneously. So we can do this simultaneous report. You can also check again CPU is 100% using, and this time GPU is also 100%. Now we will check the temperature performance. CPU temperature is 110, GPU is utilizing 98%, and you can also check that it's automatically allocate the 31.7 almost 32 GB of GPU memory, because our RAM is so much available. We have installed 64 GB RAM, so it's a good thing actually. There is no need to define the maximum memory for the GPU in the BIOS, so it will automatically detect the available RAM and it will allocate for the GPU memory. So overall you can use this for your production purpose, your video editing purpose, signage purpose, home and office purpose. For every kind of work you can use this particular mini PC. ASUS NUC 14 Pro Plus, we have already checked that this device has the great processor, which is Ultra series processor. Especially this Ultra 9 processor is too much powerful, and its internal GPU, the Intel ARC graphics, is also much powerful than the previous generation of Intel Iris Xe graphics. So I would recommend this device for your home and office purpose. Also you can use this particular mini PC for your production industrial purpose also. You can run this product 24/7. So this device can be used in anywhere in any applications. If you found our video is informative, please like this video and share as much as possible. Also subscribe our nationalPC YouTube channel to get the latest product video on this channel.